Step number 1. Grab your phone or computer. Step number 2. Go to a website. Do the same task. Step number 3. Get paid. In today's video, we will find out how you can earn $55 per minute. And don't worry if you don't have a PayPal account. There are many other payment methods also. So that it doesn't matter where are you from. You will get paid all over the world. But disclaimer, this will not work for you if you're too lazy to follow and watch the entire video. So if you really want to make money online, you must follow each and every step shown in this video. The best part is it's 100% free. You don't need any investment at all to do this. And this is also available worldwide. You don't need to sell anything. You don't need social media followers. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money online. Anyone from anywhere in the world can make money. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, YouTube will notify you so that you will be the first to know about a strategy, tips and tricks so that you will start making real money fast than others. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you stay towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a bonus that will allow you to make even more money. And also, comment down below what country you are in right now. I want to know because in that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below now. First of all, you go over to this website. You can see it here, get access to all of your files needed. Powerful features have made file storage easy. You won't find anywhere else. Whether you're sharing PDF, APK, software, or docs, Userupload can simplify your workflow. The cool thing is you will get 50 GB of free storage. You can see it here. All user can get 50 free space and upload PDF, zip, APK, X, and all other files, videos, music. Unlimited upload speed. All users can upload with an unlimited speed, no matter the size of the files you're uploading. This website also has a referral program so that you can make extra money also, as you can see here. Share direct links. Upload your files and share with your friends and family and get money. You got 15% referral earning. Unlimited download speed. We not strict download speed. So all peoples can download any files at any time with maximum download speed. You can see it here, they have over 45,000 users. You can see recent payment proof. You can see the time and the dates. They are paid through different payment methods. Now look at this number right here. This is money that people receiving. And you have all of this page right here that contains hundreds of users' payment proof. You can see it here. Very low minimum payout. This website's minimum payout is only $3. That means when you reach only $3, you can withdraw your money. Payments are made via PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, and Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Cash, and also Payoneer. So that you can withdraw your money all over the world. They say that our payout rates are dynamic and depend on the advertising income that we receive. So sometimes the prices can decrease for some countries and rates per 1,000 downloads. You can make $13 if your traffic comes from United States, Canada, and Switzerland. Don't worry about the traffic. I will show you step by step how you can get traffic from this country. This website is called Upload.io. The very first step is to click on sign up button right here. Then you will land on this user registration page. Now all you're going to do is enter your username, email address, enter a strong password, repeat it again, enter your payment info, select your payment method, solve this CAPTCHA, and click on this registration button right here. When you click on my account button, you will land on this page. You can track how much money you make, how much free storage you have. You can track your traffic available today. You will get your published files link. You will get your My Affiliate link here. You can track how many referrals you have. When you reach only $3, you can place your withdrawal request from here. Now the next step is to download some ebooks, which you upload on this site. Don't worry about getting ebooks. I will show you where to download free ebooks. Now go to a website which is called freeebooks.net and type "Make Money Online" in the search bar right here. After doing this, you will find so many free ebooks. Don't worry about money or any copyright issue. Those ebooks are 100% free to download. Just click on any book's title and click on the download button right here. After download the ebook, go to upload.io, then click on Upload Files button. You can upload your file by drag and drop or select feature. After finishing upload, click on My Files button right here. Then click on Export button to grab this ebook's download link. To share this link with other people who will download it. In that way, they can download and you can make money. You can share this link with your friend, family, and relatives. But this work does not benefit you because they may be not interested in making money online niche. You need to find out targeted people who are interested in this topic so that you can make a lot of money. But how to find out? Don't worry. As a bonus tip, I will show you step by step how you can do it. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And also comment down below what country you are in right now. In that way, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. Now let's get started. Copy this book's download link and go to this website called beermoneyforum.com. This is a money-related forum where people discuss or talk about money. You can see this forum is very popular. Over 500k people visit this forum. Now scroll down and click How to Make Money Online. Then click on the Post Thread button right here. Write a catchy title to attract people and paste your download link right here. Enter your name, solve this easy CAPTCHA, then click on the Post Thread button right here. After that, go to Facebook and search Make Money Online. Then filter it by the group. You can see here there are many groups about this topic with thousands of members. You can find so many groups on Facebook. Just join some group and post your copied link with attracting title. By doing this, you will get many people to download your uploaded ebooks so that you will make a lot of money. That's it for today's video. But wait, if you want to know how you can make $100 per hour easily, watch this video